Namaskar. Welcome to weekly weather discussion of today, the 9th January 2025. I am Dr. Anand Kumar Das, a senior scientist from National Weather Forecasting Center of India Meteorological Department. Today we will be discussing about the weather, what happened during past weeks, as well as we will be giving the outlook of the next 2 weeks weather. The past weeks, actually one western disturbance approached our western Himalayan region and northwest India. It passes over and moved westward and passes over the region and caused weather. And due to that, from 4th to 7th, we can see several induced cyclonic circulation over the region, and today the trough actually moved away from the region. Then there is systems over easterlies, that is yesterday we can see two cyclonic circulation, one over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean, and another over coastal Tamil Nadu region. So that western disturbance also influenced northeastern states on 7th and 8th. So due to that there was weather. So this is the first week of the winter, therefore we will first see the temperature scenario. The low temperature, the cold day, severe cold day observed over the northern plains starting from Punjab to Bihar, and even East Madhya Pradesh also experienced cold day situation. And then cold wave, severe cold wave observed over only Himachal Pradesh only one day, that is 4th. And due to this low temperature condition, dense to very dense fog also observed over western Himalayan region, northern plains and adjoining central Indian region. Here we can see the coverage, and if we see the satellite pictures, the white spot is visible every day from 2nd January to 8th January, and it is even, we can notice that at morning 9:15 hours IST, that white spots are visible over northern plains. And if we see the rainfall scenario, the western disturbance caused rainfall over western Himalayan region and northwest India, and one zone we can see, and another zone over northeast India. And heavy rainfall only occurred on 8th over Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The past weeks and as well as seasonal scenario over subdivision level, if we can see, they all homogeneous region is having negative departure from the long period average, except east and northeast India. The both pictures are looking similar because this is the first week of the season and only one day actually added in the season. Now today, what is the synoptic situation? We can see there are cyclonic circulation visible over easterlies, one over southeast Bay of Bengal and another over southeast Arabian Sea. Both are moving westward, and one cyclonic circulation we can see over Bangladesh and neighborhood. But fresh western disturbance is now approaching towards our region. Now it is over southwest Iran and neighborhood, but it will be approaching very soon over our northwest India. Now if we summarize the rainfall scenario for the first week, then we can say that due to that approaching western disturbance, western Himalayan region may experience light to moderate rainfall on 11th and 12th, and adjoining plains also will be having rainfall from 10th to 12th January. And isolated thunderstorm activity may happen during that period. Even hailstorm can happen over Haryana and Rajasthan on 11th January. And then due to systems in the easterly of southern peninsula, the rainfall will be there over Tamil Nadu and Karaikal, but light to moderate along with thunderstorm lightning from 11th to 13th, and Kerala and Mahe 12th to 13th, and heavy rainfall will happen only on 12th over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal. Then northeast India also may experience thunderstorm and lightning on 13th. So this is the rainfall scenario for week 1. And temperature, due to this approaching western disturbance, first there will be rise of temperature, then there will be fall, and same thing will be happening over northwest India, even adjoining central India, reaching up to Maharashtra and Gujarat. But no significant change will be seen over East India. And before the western disturbance is approaching the region, there will be a dense to very dense fog over that Western Himalayan region, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh and even Rajasthan till 11th. And then dense fog may also can be seen over that northern plains from 10th to 12th, among reaching up to Jharkhand and Odisha. Then dense fog in isolated pockets can be seen over northeastern states on 11th and 12th, and sometimes we can see also isolated pocket of East Rajasthan, West Rajasthan may experience dense fog during this week. And whatever will be the weather warnings, we can follow that in our day-to-day weather bulletin. Then forecast for week 2, if we see there is no active western disturbance, so therefore there will be no significant rainfall over western Himalayan region or northwest India or northern India. But easterly there is a likely formation of a cyclonic circulation and low pressure area over South Bay of Bengal, which may give the rainfall over peninsular region. So therefore that peninsular region and adjoining central India will be having normal to above normal rainfall. Otherwise rest parts of India, East India will be having below normal rainfall. And if we see the temperature scenario for the week 2, so temperature, minimum temperature will be between 4 to 8 degree over many parts of North India except Western Himalayan region where the temperature will be far below, and other rest parts will be having temperature above 8 degree. Some minimum temperature will be having above 8 degrees centigrade. There will be a low to moderate probability of cold wave condition over isolated places over Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh and also some parts of Madhya Pradesh during some days of the week. And if we see the fog scenario, dense fog may occur in isolated places over Indo-Gangetic plains during some days of the week. To know more about the weather, you can visit our websites and you can also follow our apps in the mobiles. Take care for the whole week.